trigger point from the ultrasonic sensor is connected to the digital pin 9 and echo to the digital pin 10. The ground of the ultrasonic sensor is connected to the Arduino Uno's ground point. So here we have the buzzer, and the positive point of the buzzer is connected to the digital pin 3 and the ground to the ground of the Arduino. And here we have the servo motor, and the digital cable of the servo motor is connected to the digital pin 5 and the ground to the ground of Arduino. Here we have connected the VCC wire of the servo motor to the VCC wire or VCC point of the Arduino Uno. Here you can see the ultrasonic sensor and the servo motor has a common VCC point, which is because the Arduino using this representation does not have two VCC points. So when an object is at a distance less than 50 cm from the ultrasonic sensor, it gives a signal to the Arduino Uno at the back, and it processes the signal and informs the servo motor to turn 90 degrees, which in turn opens the lid of the ratio. So simultaneously, a buzzer also starts working, which helps the blind people to navigate to the resident and deposit the waste. So after a few while of a delay of 2 seconds, when there is no signal from the ultrasonic sensor, the Arduino decides to close the lid by informing the servo motor to change its direction to 0 degree, and it also switches off the buzzer too. So we are powering it using the electricity from our computer. It can also be powered using adapter and batteries. So here we have the demonstration of our project. They are connected to it. So I am going to put object before the ultrasonic sensor and see what happens. As you can see, the ultrasonic sensor detects the object on my hand and is placed in front of it, and it in turn informs the Arduino, and the Arduino in turn informs the servo motor to turn 90 degrees, which in turn opens the lid. After a while, when I off my hand, the Arduino informs to close the lid by turning the servo motor to 0 degrees.
Through this project, we are aiming to make the life of the blind easier. As the young innovators of our nation, it's our duty to make use of the modern technology